I will be me. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Look at you.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up.
God dang it. I need silk touch. And I guarantee if I try to enchant, I'm not gonna get it. Let's talk about politics. No. No politics for me. We are just kind of building up our houses. I'm playing with redstone, if you haven't noticed already. By that.
Right, your house is about to explode, I'm gonna be honest. You better fucking run. Oh shit. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I'm going. I'm kidding. I am so kidding right now. You don't even realize you can teleport to me. I'm at my house. I was just gonna see what you were gonna say, but apparently you're not gonna say anything. Yeah, okay, I see. Here you are. Hey, hey. Don't make this the first time. Okay, I was about to say, I don't even have a weapon on me. That's bullshit.
No, he was just joking. I wasn't sure if he was serious or not. I was just kind of thinking. I was just kind of thinking.
I wouldn't say it. Are you kidding me?
And I've also done my enchant table.
It'd be dead quiet. You just hear it.
It's pretty nice. If you want 30 levels, stand on the pressure plate right here. If you don't, step off the pressure plate and you get 8 levels. Speaking of which, I can get efficiency too. I need efficiency 2 with 8 levels.
What was I doing? I need to go to the blocks chest. I need a block. Polished andesite. There it is. Thank you very much.
You've obviously seen my light switch. I made this. It's a little easy redstone door. Just kind of stay on the pressure plates. It opens. Blah blah blah. Am I good at redstone? Not really. I'm not all that good.
Hey, do you have any ink sets?
Yes I do. I have like 23.
Can I TP you and grab them?
Yeah. Well, they're in my chest at the bottom right.
Alright, but I can still TP to you, right?
Yeah, go for it. I know they're easy. Yeah. All the redstone contraptions that you've seen are really easy. The only reason why I don't make any harder ones are because I don't think PlayStation Minecraft is ready for harder redstone mechanics yet.
Yeah,
and it's raining.
Yeah, it's now.
Why?
We could turn weather cycle off, and we didn't do that already. Okay.
No, there's no way to turn off the weather, I don't think.
I just turned off the weather cycle, dude.
Is there... Oh. Wow. I've made harder, or at least tried. I have 2. But that was about 1.5 years ago that I tried to make harder redstone. Or at least on PS4. And that was before redstone was actually cooperative as far as how it works, because now it supposedly works the same way as PC, but I haven't tested that theory yet. I need to grab food. I need to cook some. Imagine having, oh my god, if we had command blocks, I'd be OP. I'd have a sword that would one-shot you. It'd have every single command, or enchant known to man. Well, in vanilla Minecraft, that is.
My light switch works now. It looks pretty.
Oh, you should just come see my light switch. Because my light switch is...
More lights.
Mine? Or yours?
Mine.
Yeah, but you can still... Yeah, but you still need a command to get them on PC. Actually... I think there's a mod to where you can sharpness over 9,000. Oh god. Alright, see the lights in the ceiling?
Yeah. Alright, now come see mine.
But that would be awesome. Yeah, that would be awesome.
I told you I know my way around your house.
I do too.
And now you do.
No, I've known how. I've known how to get around my house. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Attaboy. Alright, let me see this. You wanna know something funny?
Light switch. What?
Back when I was a beginner at Redstone, that's the exact same thing that I would make.
It's a much more efficient light switch. I mean, yours is cool with all the piston work and whatnot. It's just mine does the exact same thing. And it's an actual switch, not a button.
What's your question, Rex?
And it even looks decent. And I actually needed to make that wall shorter anyways. So this is perfect.
Okay.
You don't even understand.
I do. Are you guys going to be on tomorrow?
Yes.
Good question. Are we going to be on tomorrow? What time?
Just said yes. Probably about noon, 1, maybe.
Alright, so about 1 Central Time?
Now I'm gonna get back to working on food chest.
Yeah, I'm gonna go start making my farm. Because I'm doing a series and I would like all 3 of you. 3? Oh, me, Dmindgaming, and Blazer. It means 2 Eastern for me. Yeah. And wake up, computer. I need you.
What's going on? What?
Oh, my computer decided to try to sleep, and I said no.
No, bitch.
I mean, yeah, sure. I'll swing by and check out your series.
What series? What's going on?
Rex is doing a series.
On Twitch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Message me what time you're gonna actually do your series, and I'll check it out. You realize that
And
it's...
and you just close your chest and turn around.
You mean 12 p.m. Eastern? Instead of 12 a.m. Eastern? Because if you were trying to do it 12 a.m. Eastern, you'd be doing it about an hour ago. Right? Or would that be 3 hours? I think it's 3 hours ago you would have been doing your stream.
I don't know where you're getting 3 hours. It would have been an hour.
No, Eastern. If he was trying to do his stream at 12 a.m. Eastern, he would have done it like 3 hours ago.
Well, the rest are way in our ass.
Yeah, Eastern is... Well, PM then. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that makes it... What time? 9 for us? 9 a.m.? I don't know if I'm gonna be awake at 9. That's in 7 hours.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Bye, Rex. We should probably start like wrapping up the stream.
Probably pretty soon.
I
I just don't
mean,
want to quit playing Minecraft. I'm just having fun.
I don't want to stop either. I mean, I don't want to end the stream, but at the same time I do.
Yeah.
I mean, I would pull an all-nighter, but that's a bad idea. It's a huge bad idea.
For you, sir, yes.
Why for me?
Because I can handle an all-nighter easily.
I can too.
And I don't gotta get up tomorrow any motherfucking way.
Neither do I.
You, I don't feel like it's good for you for some reason. Hey, what's up, Dexter?
You need sleep, bruh. Sleep is for the weak.
Sleep's for the weak. I don't need shit.
All I need is some water. I can keep myself up with water. I've pulled like 40, 50 hours of without sleep, so I can handle pulling an all-nighter.
And me, I've got insomnia anyway, so this shit is a basic reality to me. Like, I do this all the time.
He does. But me, on the other hand, I don't. But yet, I can still handle it.
He does not. It's just not no fucking good for him.
Yeah. So alive.
Yeah.
How is it for the week?